Hi guys, this is Krishna Kumar from Chemistry at your fingertips, and today we will be discussing a very important point. Now, you might be knowing that the HSC board exams are on its way, right? So most of you might be pretty much confused what exactly has to be done right now, because most of the time you have already devoted it for the preparation of your entrance exam. Now the question is how to divert their attention or how to just take some time out and prepare for the state board. Now most of you have this fear in mind that at this point of time what should be the correct strategy, whether you should just take a pause for your entrance exam preparation and then directly go for the board exams, and then how you'll be getting back to the track, right? Now here I am with a one-stop solution for this. Now I'm just going to discuss a very simple technique. Okay, so what exactly is that technique all about? So the technique is how to synchronize your JEE NEET preparations with the existing HSC board exam that is going to be there in the next 2 months. Okay, so most of you make this mistake of just taking a halt in your existing preparation for entrance exam and then starting fresh with your HSC board exam preparations. But you have to understand these things very clearly, that whatever is there in the HSC board, the same thing you are preparing for the JEE NEET entrance exam, but the only thing is the level of questions are completely different, right? So if you have already mastered the concept in your JEE and NEET class, there is absolutely nothing to be worried about. Okay, now the question is whether you are supposed to just divert your attention from these entrance exam preparation and get into the board preparation, or there is some other way. Yes, there is a way. Could synchronize your preparation with HSC board exam. Now, as I've already said that by now you might be at least familiar with all the concepts. You might have mastered the most important concepts that appear in the JEE and NEET entrance exam. You might have also solved a lot of MCQs and gone through different tests. Now, also I believe that you might be going through the different topic wise tests for the HSC board exam preparation, because most of you might be having your own semesters, your preliminary examinations and all, right? So here is something which you could really do it. Okay, so follow these strategies. The first is you could select a topic. Now it could be something from physical chemistry, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, right? So you could select any topic in which you are comfortable with, and then you might be having a lot of study materials with you. So you could just use those study material for revising different concepts. They need not be your materials issued by the coaching classes or the different modules which are issued by the popular coaching institutes. It could be simple publications, simple textbook issued by different publications, or you could use the textbook for direct preparation. Now, once you revise, don't directly get into the end of the textbook questions. You should try to test your knowledge, and the best way to test the knowledge is solving MCQ. Now, instead of solving MCQs randomly, why don't you use the MCQs which are there in the JEE and NEET study materials, so that it would be one form of revision for you, right? And you will also be able to understand what are the topics wherein you are supposed to concentrate a lot. Okay, so you could solve MCQs which are relevant to each and every section. For example, when you have a section on hydrocarbons, or let's say halogen derivatives, class 12, there could be separate sections on preparation, properties, physical and chemical properties, and the chemical reactions, right? So you could solve maybe few MCQs from each section and try to test your own knowledge, right? Now you have to understand that it is MCQ, so you might end up getting wrong answers for few questions. So please do not get demotivated all because of this. Okay, so you could solve MCQs from different sections, and then once you're comfortable with that, solve the theory questions and keep on revising on and on, write and practice, so that you get completely comfortable with this topic. Okay, now this particular strategy is going to help you a lot. How? The question is how, right? Now, this strategy, if you follow, you will be able to revise the same concepts in your entrance exam. So, you will be actually doing revision not only for your state board as well as entrance. And most important thing, the HSC board exam, after the paper pattern change, now things are pretty much difficult these days. So, questions are pretty much challenging. So, if you are able to master the concepts from the JEE and NEET study module and synchronize it with your existing board exam preparation, then your chances of solving a challenging question is very, very high. Okay, so these are the simple strategies that you could follow and then see how the results work. Okay, so I would like to give some more information regarding the upcoming videos that I'll be posting it as per the importance of the board exam, right? So halogen derivatives of alkanes, alcohol phenols and ethers, and aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids, and compounds containing nitrogen. Right, so these are the four organic section topics. So I'll be posting few videos related to the important concepts that you should focus more in, because they are not only important from your board exam point of view but also important from your entrance point. Okay, so this was me, Krishna Kumar, from Chemistry at your fingertips, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. For more updates, please subscribe to our news to our channel. Okay, for more updates, please subscribe to our channel, Chemistry at your fingertips.